Hello, in this video, I will show you how we can create WhatsApp link for WhatsApp chat using a mobile number. First, note down that the mobile numbers should be written in the format that the country code should be there first and then mobile number. In this first cell, you can see 966 is a country code and then it is a dummy mobile number. Again, 91 is a country code and a mobile number, 971 is a country code and the mobile number. So you have to write country code and the mobile number in this format. I'm using dummy numbers due to privacy issue. Click the cell where you want to create hyperlink, equal to sign, then hyperlink, again concatenate, inverted comma start, https wa.me/inverted commas close, comma, trim, and in trim you will select the cell where mobile number is written. This is the cell, bracket close, again bracket close, and again bracket close. Press enter. You can see hyperlink is created. It is underlined. We can remove underline. Select and drag it down to other cells. Now your hyperlink for mobile chat, WhatsApp chat is ready. You can click and directly it will open a WhatsApp chat. But note, before doing that, you should be connected with the internet. Let's click on first link. You can see it is showing chat on WhatsApp with the number. This mobile number is written. Okay, press continue to chat. Looks like you don't have WhatsApp installed. Actually, on my PC, the WhatsApp app is not installed. So it is giving me two options, download or use WhatsApp app. You can download as well the application. Otherwise, click this link. Actually, my WhatsApp is not connected. WhatsApp web is not connected. And I will not move on from here because of privacy issues. So once you will be connected with WhatsApp web, automatically chat will open for that mobile number.